in this closet.
Okay. You
Yeah.
look, yeah.
No. Three families.
This would be the heater system. Full bath. Can't really see it. Interesting little windows. I've just been sanding the floors, ready to verathane them. It also has a washer dryer hookup.
Where's the washer?
So here, washer dryer hookup.
Oh, good.
It needs to sell for about